Jerry Hawk 250 here. I just picked up my Lifan KPX 250 from Venom Motorsports USA. I just got back from Ornell Carriers. I actually went to pick it up. They were planning on shipping it. It would deliver to my house, but it was going to be Monday or Tuesday of next week for delivery, so I decided to go pick it up today. Now all I got to do is get this thing unloaded. There is a hole punched through the side of the box. I'm just noticing now that I got it back to the house. Hopefully there's no damage inside. I'll find out shortly. Well, since I'm by myself, no one's home, family's out of town, neighbors aren't around, give me help. Got my ramps. I'll slide down the ramps. This is how I got my Hawk out when I first got it. Hopefully I don't tip it over. Just to show you it can be done. Just one more notch and I'm going to be on the concrete. And as you can see, I'm by myself, so it's kind of hard to video, but it is on the ground. Alright, so I got the box off. Got all the parts. This is probably all the mirrors and whatnots, battery and so on. Well packaged for sure. Front tire, so we'll have to put front tire on and handlebars. Nice looking rims. Definitely nicer quality than those on my Hawk for sure. Ooh, this is going to be pretty. Like the green. Let me get the cage off. And you can see, well, okay, I took a hit right there. That protected from hitting the tank. Well, it's obvious the first thing I got to do is put handlebars on, controls, before I even attempt to put the front wheel on. That way I control it from falling over or anything. But yeah, it sure is pretty light. I think the rims look like they're aluminum. Could be wrong. I'm kind of lucky. It's raining here. It cooled it off. It was over 100 degrees earlier. I think it was 104. You will have to mount the front turn signals. I did pull the front headlight off to make it easier to get to the nut. Yeah, we'll see that. It's pretty easy. And this is an LED headlight. That is a nice improved light. Alright, got all the controls mounted, handlebars mounted. We'll have to do a little adjustment on the throttle. I guess next will be putting the fender on. Fender, that'll be fun. So I got the front fender mounted. It's just mounted with 4 bolts, as you can see, with the washers on it. Pretty easy mount. Trying to do this by yourself to get this front wheel on. I basically stuck a scissor jack underneath the engine. I'm going to lift it up high enough to where I can put the front tire and axle bolt in. So as you can see, I got the front wheel off the ground. Got a jack underneath it. I had cut off the front of the pallet, the steel pallet, so I have more room to put the tire on the front. One thing you want to do before you put your front tire on is clean it real good with some brake cleaner. The rotors need to be cleaned up real good because there is a shipping film on them. Same thing with the rear. You want to clean them off real good before you even use the brakes. Alright, I'll see if I can get them mounted up now. So what you want to do is, we got this silver spacer right here. Goes on this side. This side, you have this plastic spacer, and there's a notch in there. This is going to be kind of tricky. Let's see if we can do this. of. Let's put this on there. You also want to grease this up a little bit before you put it in so it don't corrode or rust. So we want to put this in. Well, this is fun. One-handed. Should have took my camera out, my action camera. And let's see if I can get this in there. Well, I'm going to have to set the camera down to do this. And of course you want to put the brake calipers on, put a little blue Loctite on them, and torque them down. Everything rolls free. Now I can take it off the stand over here to the jack and put the rest of this, my plastic on here. Now I've got mirrors on, covers, everything on it. What I'm going to do now is check the oil, put gas, and put a battery on it. And the battery is the first thing you want to do is pour the acid in the battery when you first open the box up. That way it has a chance to activate. Alright, so I got it all together, ready to go. So I got to check the oil and put gas in it. Alright, so here we go. First start, put oil in it, got some gas in it. And turn the key on. That's nice. Start button. I try to, and she's quiet. Here, bright lights. Might have to adjust the headlights a little high. Heat cycles. You have to get LED lights in this thing. Good lights. Beautiful part. It looks like we got aluminum ornaments here. Lifan KPX 250 from Venom Motorsports. Tomorrow, try to get a little ride video on. I got to take off and go somewhere in a little bit. Awesome bike.